Melomakarona sanas. Lege.
Mia kupa evo na nebi.
Ne?
Et na bala mia.
Cognac kupes. 9 cups of flour.
Mia.
9 mugs.
Kita.
Okay, 9 cups of flour. It's going to go into 3 cups of olive oil. That's 3 cups of olive oil. And 1 cup of orange juice. Okay, that was 1 cup orange juice and half a cup of orange peels. So that's 1 cup of cognac.
Eno kita lagi. Canela.
1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Okay, so that was 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and 1 teaspoon of cloves. 1 cup of sugar. 2 teaspoons of magic baking powder.
Eno baking soda.
1 teaspoon of baking soda. Try and mix it up a little bit. So just make sure all the flour is mixed in. There's no dry white flour on the bottom. Let it rest for 5 minutes. Oh, okay, they rise. Yeah, the walnuts go after. When you put the syrup on them at the end, then you put the walnuts on top. Not in the mix. If you wanted to, you could. Okay, so you preheat the oven at 350. Okay, it's in the oven at 350 and around 15 to half an hour. Okay, so that's before and after. After 30 minutes in the oven at 350. Yeah.
It gets this big. It used to be this big.
Right.
Yeah.
So the syrup's always cold. So you make the syrup before you make the cookies. And then you take the cookies that are hot out of the oven and you dip them. Let them soak up the cold syrup for a minute. Ahora que tenemos.
Kita huli ko na malapos.
Oh. So you just wait till they soften up a bit. You gotta eat 2 or 3 before you know. So I guess after they're dipped, put them on, throw in some walnuts.
Ela.